Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about this wonderful product which gives you lots of health benefits. I think you have guessed it. It is Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt is rock salt mined from Kura salt mines near the Himalayas of Pakistan. It is naturally pink in color because of the minerals loaded in it. This is used in cooking to season meals and to preserve the food. This is also used in decorative lamps to remove air pollutants and in spa treatments to improve skin conditions and soothe sore muscles. This is Himalayan pink salt. I bought Saksa's Himalayan pink salt, but you can buy any good quality brand. Actually, pink salt is chemically similar to table salt, which is our regular salt. I put both the salts in plates, and this is our white salt which we use regularly. This is pure white in color and it's well processed. This is our natural Himalayan pink salt. This is minimally processed and unrefined product, so it is more natural than the regular table salt. They both have almost 98% of sodium chloride. Additionally, pink salt contains minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, etc. These minerals give light pink tint to the salt. It may contain up to 84 different trace minerals. Pink salt tastes saltier than table salt, so you can use very less amount of pink salt to achieve the same great taste. This is advantageous, isn't it? Now, let's see the health benefits of this wonderful product. It may improve sleep quality, balance your body's pH, and improve your body's metabolism. Now, I'm going to show you the simplest way to boost your body's metabolism. Take a spoonful of extra virgin olive oil and add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt in it. You can add more if you are able to tolerate the salty taste. You need to consume this once before your first meal and before your last meal. It means one spoonful of olive oil with pink salt in it before breakfast and also before dinner. Now I'm going to drink this, so please wait. Mmm, it's not delicious at the same time, it's not bad at all. So you can give it a try. Please try this for 1 week. You will feel the amazing results and then post your comments. Also, enjoy the health benefits of pink salt by adding this in your meals. I hope this video is useful for you to explore good products around you. Please like and share my video. Also subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I'll talk to you all soon with another great product. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.